All right, what we're doing now is conducting the second power steering pressure test after the power steering pump was rebuilt, new parts, all new internal parts, and the power steering gear was replaced and upgraded to a fast ratio. Saginaw box with a fast ratio. Earlier, the power steering pump wasn't putting out much pressure or flow, and that's why I decided to have the pump rebuilt, and I wanted a faster ratio gear, so I had the gear rebuilt. So with the engine idling, the fluid now, power steering fluid's been checked, it's 170 degrees plus or minus 5, and with the engine idling at idle speed, the specification calls for, this is a 455, but it's not an A series, so it has the smaller of the two pumps. So we should have minimum flow of 1.25 gallons. As you can see, I am a little less than 3 gallons. Okay, my back pressure is less than 200, right where it should be, and engine's idling. And so now we're going to go through and we're going to operate the power steering system by operating the steering wheel. Austin, turn the steering wheel to the right. Go all the way to the lock. Okay, release. So the power steering gear, as you turn the steering wheel, the spool control valve, the control valves inside the steering gear, direct the pressurized fluid to the side of the piston, which directed the pressurized fluid to assist with the right turn. As you notice, flow decreased as we increased the restriction of the steering gear, and pressure increased just the way it was supposed to. When you put it against the lock, flow should go down to 0. The steering gear is not internally leaking, and pressure can go to its maximum. Take it all the way to the right again. Against the stop. Okay, release. So you see the pressure there went up. It was a little over 1,400 PSI. And specification for this release control valve should be between 1250 and 1350. All right, flows back up 2.5 gallons. We've still got good back pressure. All right, Austin, turn all the way now to the left. Okay, release. So basically your numbers were exactly as they were for the right, telling us the steering gear is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Okay, Austin, now turn the steering wheel straight ahead. That's good right there. Now, if for some chance the steering gear wasn't doing, didn't make the numbers appear what they were supposed to be, the problem could have been the pump performance, or the steering gear had an internal leak and wasn't performing properly. So by using the power steering analyzer, I can also create a restriction by turning this valve and closing off the flow out of the pump, which should increase the pressure. So as I create a restriction with the power steering pressure analyzer, what should happen is the flow should start to decrease and the pressure should start to increase. So I'm doing what the steering gear control valve would be doing. Careful, this thing gets hot. So as I take it to its maximum, flow's decreasing and pressure's increasing. And if I closed it all the way off, which I can't do with just 2 hands, I should have seen the same maximum pressure as I had right here. All of this is at 70-degree temperature. So my power steering is working as designed now. Turn the steering wheel to the right. See how many turns does it take to go all the way to the right? What? 1.5. Go all the way back straight. Stop. Is the steering wheel straight? Go all the way to the left. How many? 1.5. So I got a 3. Let's straighten it back up. Good. You can shut her off. So it used to be over 4 turns lock to lock. Now I can do it in 3 turns. My fast ratio gear set. Have a great day.